What's up, guys? I'm back again. I got the stock muffler put back on there, but there's a little bit of a surprise. It is gutted. There's nothing inside of it. It's just a muffler. It just looks cleaner. Look at those tailpipes. Yeah, looks a lot better than this thing. It took me a while to get done because welding that thing back together was not fun. But here we go. Here's a cold start with a stock muffler, straight pipe, gutted. And there we go. That's that. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick. It's cold out here. But there we go. Gutted muffler on a straight pipe 2017 Elantra Sport. Ready to sell this thing. All right.